Hey everyone, Michael here. Bitcoin is moving up and altcoins are booming. Let's talk about why that is and how you guys can make some good money off of it. If you were watching the stream last night, you know we talked about the NASDAQ picking Bitcoin up by the bootstraps and pulling it up, and it looks like that's exactly what happened this morning. Let's take a quick peek here at Bitcoin's charts. This is going to be important for you guys to understand. We are in a pretty steep uptrend. Eventually, we are going to break down from this uptrend, and it is going to be a nice opportunity to short. It does not mean this little bit of a rally is over. It just means we may have to cool off a little bit. Normally, when we consolidate, guys, we're not just going up and up and up like this. We do take a cool off period. We bounce off a little bit, and then there's ultimately a new trend line, and that's what we're going to be waiting for if you guys want to be buying back in right now. On the other hand, majority of you guys are going to be looking to do some day trading, so let's hop on over to the 15-minute chart. We're just breaking above the Fibonacci levels. That's awesome. We should be cleared if we're lucky back up here towards 22,760. That's where you guys' price target is going to be if you guys have been buying anywhere over the last day or so. I think you're going to see a lot more buyers coming into the market right now, as long as the NASDAQ can stay strong and as long as we can keep above this Fibonacci level here at the price target or the price of 21,402. That's the most important thing. And for the highlighted coins of the day, everybody, you know Bitcoin's doing okay. That's fine. Shiba's booming up 30%. Be careful. This is going to crash down hard over the next few days after it is finished rallying. But until then, make the most of having some fun trading this. Dogecoin is up about 13%, already running into some resistance, the 20-day moving average. If we can break above that, we have a strong possibility of having an early breakout and trying to get all the way back up here to maybe 7 cents